Hi guys, so the question is Anton and Letters. So if I tell you the whole question, there is what the question is asking us, we have to inside this bracket find the distinct letters. Okay, like in this under this bracket there are three distinct letters A, B and C. In this bracket under two there are two distinct letters B and A, so output is 2, and inside this there are 0 letters, so it would be 0. Okay, so how we are going to do it? Let's see. First string is get line sin comma s. Why we are using get line? Because there is a what I can say comma, there is a space. If we use simple sin angular bracket, then it won't take the input, or it won't take space as an input. But in get line we'll take everything, space, comma, bracket, everything as an input. Okay, then we initialize a set. Let's name it letters. Okay, why we are using set? Because there are duplicate letters, we don't want them, so that's why. Okay, set don't take duplicate letter for char x s. Okay, if x is greater than equal to comma and x is less than equal to z. Okay, so all the distinct letter, it is already mentioned, all the letters are lower alphabets. Okay, plus if they have to come under ABCD. Okay, so that's why I have written this. Then what we'll do, letters dot insert C. Okay, letters dot insert C. We will insert that letter in the C, insert that letter into the letters. Okay, then see out letters dot size. We have to mention the size so we can tell them how many distinct letters are there. Yeah, so that's it guys. I hope you can easily see it. Let's run the code. Okay, insert C, no. Okay, x it worked. Let's write something like a comma b. So yeah, so it's working, the code is working. Let's input this. Okay, output is correct. So yeah, the code is working fine. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply it. Yeah guys, so that's it from my end. Thank you for watching.